Hi, my name is Edward Kay. I've been a professional writer, story editor, and consultant for more than 25 years on TV and book projects for companies like Disney, BBC, CBC, Bell Media, Scholastic, and Random House. Recently, I've been mentoring emerging writers, and from that experience, one of the things that I think is important for writers to have clear are goals. Not just your goals, your characters' goals. Now, by saying goals, I don't mean that your characters have to be intent on winning the Olympics, delivering a message to help win World War I, or finding the loves of their lives in time to unwrap each other under the tree on Christmas Eve. Good luck with that one. Psychologists call those proactive goals. They're based on personal desire and come from inside the character. But sometimes the goal can just be to continue living your life the way it already is. Like Bugs Bunny when he just wants to lie around, eat carrots, and break the fourth wall, with the occasional smart-ass comment. Or Katniss Everdeen, who thinks overthrowing the Capitol is hopeless and just wants to keep her head down and support her family by hunting. Now, that's going to get old fast, even if Tex Avery and Michael Maltese are writing your dialogue. So what to do? Well, in the case of Bugs Bunny, Elmer Fudd comes along and wants to pump lead into him. Suddenly, Bugs is faced with a huge existential threat. He's literally fighting for his life. His new goal is survival. That's what psychologists call a reactive goal. It's forced on the character from outside. Meanwhile, over in District 12, the peacekeepers show up looking for human sacrifices. Katniss's goal changes from, ironically, hunting rabbits to saving her sister Prim's life and her own. So even though both protagonists have modest proactive goals at the beginning of their respective stories, external events force them to have new reactive goals. So if you're trying to write an engaging story, give your protagonists a goal, and they need to fight for it. So if their proactive goal is just to lie around eating carrots or to eat something that eats carrots, then to keep things interesting, you need to give them a reactive goal, something that shakes up their existence and forces them to take action. And that's not just my opinion. That's been proven in scientific studies of how people react to stories. From the time we're very young, we're hardwired to expect our story characters to have goals. If we don't see one, it won't engage our all-important neural story network, and we won't engage with the story. It's a subject I find fascinating, and I'll be talking more about it in the future. I'll be making more videos on story and the craft of writing. So if you've enjoyed this, please hit the like button and subscribe to hear more.